Textile industry in Nigeria is the third largest in Africa, and it is the largest employer of labor in manufacturing sector. Between 1980s through early 90s, textile industry accounted for over 20% of total manufacturing employment, with over 600,000 people directly or indirectly employed in the subsector. The sector, which is now a shadow of itself, is faced with numerous prevailing challenges. In the past 2 decades, Kano had over 30 textile industries operating in full capacity, contributing to the economic strength of the region. But by 2014, according to a survey conducted, the city has about 6 textile industries, with only 3 operating fully, leaving thousands of people unemployed.
Most of the textile industries in Nigeria, or especially in Kano, have shut down. I think we're down to just maybe 4 or 5 functional textile companies in Kano, and even these ones that are functional are operating below 40% of their capacity.
The popular canteen quarry in Kano is one of the largest textile markets in Africa, with a daily turnover running into several millions of naira. But with the increasing collapse of the sector, the textile market is flooded with imported textiles.
As you can see, all these products are foreign.
Stakeholders, however, attributed the collapse of the industry to unfavorable government policies, among other issues.
As long as you don't have power at a very decent rate, as you have to generate power yourself, your production cost is very high. Then the second part is the lack of patronage. We have a government that is saying, and trying to encourage people to produce, to manufacture in Nigeria, but unfortunately, the government themselves are not patronizing the sector.
Cotton is the life of textile industries. However, the production of cotton in Nigeria is fast diminishing.
Most of our cotton farmers have abandoned cotton farming, as such it's difficult for them to have raw material.
The deregulation of the Nigerian economy in the 1980s made the economy vulnerable, which affected many sectors with no clear policies.
The issue of allowing people to bring in garments and textiles that can be done by Nigerians should be looked into seriously.
Stakeholders called on federal government to engage policies that will promote national interests and protect the interests of textile industries. In Kano, Fatima Sanusi Karaye.